Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Revolut's metal payment card. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you gotta do is to log into your Revolut account. Of course, you gotta do that either on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website, and then just navigate to the card section once you're logged in. Next, you want to tap order a metal card, and then you can select the metal card design that you want. Next, just confirm the metal card order, and you can activate your metal card when it arrives. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Revolut's metal payment card. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.